comes Leo with new parts in the body. Look, the sun shines so brightly. It's a very hot day. Trees need water, and flowers too. Leo, hello. What kind of vehicle did you bring today?
Huh? How about that? This is a watering truck. It carries a lot of water and can water flowers or wash the streets. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Cabin. Cistern. Hose. Bumper with water cannons. Wings. Wings. Wheels.
Bingo!
Wheels.
Nice!
Hooray! You did it!
Attach a hose to the tank. Unwind it and get the water. Now let's go. First, water the flowers. Look, they really like it.
And now the tree. Excellent work, Leo. Well done.
Let's go!
Thank you very much. Excellent. Good job, Leo.